So hi Prateek, hi Shreya, welcome to Eastern Eye.
Thank you very
Hi.
much.
Thank you for having us.
So I think first of all, congratulations. Look at the IMDb rating of the Scam 9.6. I think you guys have broken the records even of some international shows. So how does that feel?
Oh, it feels great. Matlab, we are not able to sleep. We are not able to eat. We just super excited, and our excitement is creating blood in our body. It seems.
Yes, that is true. We are getting nourishment from our audiences. Vitamins, minerals, सारे audience दे रहे.
Right. So of course, this series is based on one of the most talked controversial topics that have happened in the country. I would like to know, did you guys know before you all signed this series, did you guys know about what actually happened or something, or it was just when you signed the series then you got the idea कि हाँ ऐसा ऐसा हुआ था?
No, I knew very bare bones of the story, but Prateek has had like a family connection with the story. He'll tell you.
Yeah, so my cousin had lost some amount of money during that entire crash that happened in 1992. So I knew something about it, a very basic thing though. I did not have any idea about the technicalities involved and how and what has happened. But yeah, I had some idea about it. When I was told first that I'm going to do Harshad Mehta, it was like, okay, so the same guy who helped the scam to come to the world.
So then maybe your cousin would have said कि भाई पैसे वापस कर दे अब.
I know they are all behind me now.
So of course, when you play a character which is based on a real life character, like a Sucheta or a Harshad Mehta, do you guys did your own research by going out and checking their videos or seeing their photos and stuff, that what their mannerism was, or did you guys follow the vision of Hansal Mehta and you said that we'll be the director's actor and let's do what he is saying?
No, it's not just us. It was all of us, because all the characters, because Scam 1992 is about the Harshad Mehta story. So every character that surrounds them is based on a real life character. So the brief to all of us was to research. Obviously, we did that. We call that like basic housekeeping, So obviously, we did all of the research.
Yeah.
We read all of the articles. We dove in deep to all the archival footage, all of that. But beyond that, the brief that was given to all of us, because all of our characters are based on real life people, is to make sure that we are trying not to mimic it, to bring some reality, because these are very lived in characters. They're already lives that have been lived in and lived very wonderfully and very loudly. So we will make sure that we were telling the truth of these lived in characters as well as we could.
Of course, talking about you guys, I think Prateek has been doing very well in Gujarati cinema. Shreya, you have done a lot of stuff down south, and then of course there was Cheat India for you.
No, I didn't do much stuff. Yeah, Prateek is a legitimate superstar. Please, उनको insult मत करो, compare करके मुझसे.
But yeah, so now of course the question for you guys here is that, now when it comes to Hindi belt, of course with Why Cheat India unfortunately not doing well, but with this series, especially the Scam, you both guys have actually, I would not like to use an overnight star thing, because I read Prateek's statement somewhere else about this thing, so I don't want to use that word. But yes, there has been this thing that now people are talking about Prateek and Shreya. So do you guys feel that yes, now we are in the game for becoming that great actors who will be known across pan India?
On behalf of the both of us, Prateek, take the heavy question.
So yeah, it feels really great and it feels really good, that people are seeing us in this light, in this way, and they've accepted us, our craft. So it strengthens our faith in our craft also, in a way. That okay, now what we felt always that we will be able to achieve, we'll be able to do it. Now a lot of people are saying, so there is some truth in this. So that way it is very comforting to us also कि इतने साल जो वेट किया वो मतलब गलत नहीं था, बराबर था. We were on the right path.
सही था.
सही था मतलब. Okay.
Yeah.
You know, talking about getting the accent, sometimes it happens that when a character is there, if it's a Gujarati character or a Punjabi character or a Marathi character, it becomes difficult for that person to get that accent. So for you, Pratik, was it very easy and comfortable to get that whole Gujarati accent that maybe Harshad had, or the character was required? Was it easy for you?
Oh yeah, it's like Gujarati is my mother tongue. That's my first language. I think in Gujarati a lot of things. वो तो अब इंजीनियरिंग करते करते इंग्लिश इतना अंदर घुस गया, फिर बॉम्बे में जब आए तो हिंदी इतना घुस गया, तो नाउ आई थिंक इन मल्टीपल लैंग्वेजेस, बट स्टिल गुजराती बीइंग माय फर्स्ट लैंग्वेज, वो तो है, मतलब दैट बिकम्स वेरी इजी फॉर मी टू ट्रांसलेट लाइंस, टू डिलीवर सम पंचेस दैट वे, सम लाइंस विदाउट मेकिंग इट कैरिकेचरिश, विदाउट मेकिंग इट फनी. और वो तो है ने, हम ऐसे ही बोलते हैं, ऐसा कोई गुजराती मैंने देखा ही नहीं है.
હા, કોઈ એવી તે વાત નથી કરતું, એ ખાલી ગલત દેખાડવામાં આવે છે.
हाँ, so मतलब मैंने ऐसा कोई गुजराती देखा नहीं है रियल लाइफ में जो एक्चुअली ऐसे बात करता है,
Right,
apart from
true.
television and those Hindi films. So yeah.
Because no, what Pratik is saying is also very true, yeah. And this is
Yeah.
all due credit to Hansal and the many varied cast that we have. Kyunki it really, like I can imagine, because sometimes when they do Hyderabadi Hindi, because that's from my mom's side, and when they do South Indian accents, it bothers me deeply. I get very irritated, and I know how much, because I have a lot of Guji friends back in Dubai, so I know how much it used to irritate them when there's a certain like that type
right,
of
yeah.
crap that used to come on certain television or certain films and portrayals. I know how much it irritates people. And in our show, we made it so much that, Harshad's family and whoever he was surrounded by were authentically Gujarati, so they wouldn't be, you would know how Gujarati actually speaks without doing all of that comedy elements or things
Yeah.
that make it work, We even have Gemini Bhatta who plays a South Indian, and he didn't have to do it. Oh, so you are welcome over here, making that ridiculous over enunciation of
Right.
words. Oh, so I know math and calculator and shit like that, which irritates me so much. We managed to actually make it really neutral.
Right, correct. So I have to ask you guys now, as I said that you guys have become this pan-India actors now, and I would like to know what offers you guys are getting now for web series or for films. How has been this whole journey after the series have come
I don't know
out?
what's happening in our life, huh?
Professional life, I never asked anything personal.
Hey, Pratik, this
What?
is yours.
Tell us
Heavy-
what? How many
heavy
films have you
questions.
signed?
Heavy questions. I haven't signed anything.
Oh, it's
right
not
now.
heavy. Come on. Oh my God!
haven't
So I
signed-
guess Shreya is signing 5 films and 3 more big web series. She is going to be international star soon, guys. So if any maker is listening to this, go and take Shreya's date first. She is not going to be available easy.
Okay, wait. No, my turn.
No, so
my
I
turn,
guess
my turn.
yeah.
No, my turn. Pratik Gandhi can do anything you want him to do. Anything. Whatever you think he can't do, he will do that, and he will do it by surprising you. And he will do that in different languages. He will give you 10 different emotions for the same sentence. He is so good, so subtle, so out there, so internalized, so restrained, and so magnanimous with his emotions, so kind with his the space that he gives his co-stars, so much space that he gives everybody. He is brilliant. If he's not already signed a couple of projects, please, all filmmakers and everybody, producers, writers, directors, actors, whoever is on your list, Pratik Gandhi should be at the top of the list.
Pratik, you should just hire Shreya as your PR. She's going to be perfect for it.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Bhai, if you have recorded it, please send it to me. I'll use it as a pitch to everybody.
So,
So
Personally,
this I guess answers your question.
Yes.
That we have been offered a lot of things. We are listening to a lot of scripts, but nothing has been finalized yet.
That is actually very true. Nothing has been finalized yet.
right.
Yeah, that's
Great.
Baseline to wahi hai.
which shall happen soon. But which shall happen soon.
Right. Hopefully it will happen soon, and we'll get to see you more guys on the big screen as well as in the web series world. So it was really nice talking to you. All the best for all your future projects, and I'm sure that Scam is still going to grow and people are going to love it, still watch it, and all the best for everything that you guys do in future. Thank you for being with us.
Thank you very much. It was lovely fun. Thanks, Murthy.
Thank you.
Bye. Take care.